Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today we will gonna be presentation about fact and opinion. Next slide. And we are from group 5. And the first one is Izumi Zara Hariri, and the second one is Lailia Hasanah, and then Muhammad Nabil Samir, and then Molly Olivia. Next slide. The first one is we're gonna be discussing about definition of fact and opinion. Facts is something that can be proven through with events that happen or exist. Proof of this fact will easily used for formulas, research, and a witness of an event. And second, opinion is a view or judgment form about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. An opinion is response to stimuli that is structured through personal interpretation. How to express opinions can be in oral or written form.
Okay, the next I'm going to explain about the characteristic between fact and opinion. Characteristics of fact. The first is having accurate data. The first characteristic of a fact sentence is the presence of clear data about an event to support the context or intent of the sentence. The form of data then has various types according to the needs of the sentence. The second is objective. A fact can be detected in a sentence if it is objective, stating a natural or impartial statement about one of the object being talked about. Whether it provides a general context that has been recognized as true by many parties. And the third is has occurred, has happened. The easiest thing to identify whether the sentence is a fact or not is to look at the sentence as showing the situation that happened. And the next is characteristics of opinion. There are four characteristics of opinion. The first is subjective. Opinions that we hear or read have a subjective nature because they only side with one party. And the second tends to lead to personal opinion. Person's opinion is usually motivated by experience that have been experienced and background by the knowledge they have. The third is just explaining certain things. If talking about opinions, usually the information in it only explains certain things. The things in question can be a phenomenon or an object. The fourth is the uncertain truth. Opinions that are subjective and tend to be based on personal opinions, then the information contained in the opinions that have been conveyed verbally or in writing is not certain.
Difference between fact and opinion. After knowing the characteristic of fact and opinion, it can be concluded that there are several differences between two of them. First, fact is objective and opinion is subjective. Second, fact is a statement from event that actually happened, while opinion shows events that have not happened. Three, opinion is not added with supporting data, in contrast to fact that use data to support the argument. 4, opinion shows speculative events and contains its own arguments, while fact is an argument that can be proven true, have accurate data and reliable source. Next, Lailia.
The examples of fact and opinion. Factual, your heart pumps blood through your body. The leaves of growing plants are usually green. People use their legs to walk. Some people keep dogs as pets. 1 liter of water weighs 1 kilogram. There are 50 states in the United States. The third president of Indonesia was B.J. Habibie. The energy of the sun is the original source of most of the energy found on Earth. Indonesia has 2 seasons. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve the mental health. And the example for the opinion is the First is she looks pretty, and then I'm not too fond of biology lessons. I prefer using Facebook to Twitter because Twitter has limited character per caption. Japan is the most beautiful country. And then KFC is much better than McDonald's. Today seems hotter than yesterday. The internet is being used by teenagers to waste their time on social media. Learning English is easier than learning Korean language. Your choice this time seems wrong. Today is going to be a good day. Okay, I think enough from us. If there are any mistake, please forgive us. Please forgive us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.